Vet Mountain 2011. 5 days I stayed with his messages and repeats. 5 days on that mountain. All I was hearing is little foxes. All I was hearing is Those days he explains it. It's not just the thing he explained. He said, how many of you have listened to it? He said sometimes something will happen to a mother and she will go to the kitchen as she is cooking. It's beyond words. She will just be humming. She's cooking, she's humming. She's cooking, but she's humming. This one is beyond words. So he started again. There is a place beyond words. When it comes to that point, when you ask him, Mommy, what's the problem? She will tell you there is no problem. There is no problem. But when you look at her eyes, it's red. Sometimes tears will almost come down and she will do times. Swanude. One more time. Again. Go deeper, go deeper. Go deeper, go deeper. Jesus sighed within his spirit. 3 times more. Suddenly you notice that his blade will leave. When he speaks, a blade of circumcision will leave his mouth. But all he started with is to give himself to something.